Hey up guys, my name's Alicia. If you're new here, how are you doing? If you've been here before, what's going on, Rose Petals? This is the day in the life video. Hope you enjoy it. Let's go. The doctor rang me back and I've got a prescription to pick up for my hair. Yay! So hopefully
Why do you have a prescription for your hair? Hair is silly. It's just
Right, so I'm going to get the prescription, come back, but I'm expecting a parcel as well, so we need to rush.
Just pass it, please. I'll put it down. Right, put it down. I will.
I can't even cleanse my face in peace. Right, so we're back. So I thought we could open it together. Just goes to show, guys, if you go see your doctor, dandruff, shake well before use. I bet he stinks, doesn't it? Let's have a little smell. Oh, no, it's not too bad. It's pink. It's pink. Next wash day I will use this anyway. So I'm doing a movie day, night film, so do some popcorn. Ooh. So we've got 2 bowls, no arguments. Let's go. Eating popcorn. You've got your jelly babies, haven't you, Jaden?
Cheese right now.
Cheese and popcorn, yummy. And I'm just chilling outside. So Royal Mail have been, well, I've been sunbathing outside.
Yeah, I know you're going to.
It's really annoying, I didn't hear the door. So I'm gonna have to, don't know, either collect it tomorrow, but I'm working tomorrow and we need to go shopping, or just have them re-deliver it on Thursday. I don't know what to do, but I'm not leaving the house now. Done now. Not going back out. Burger King! Yes.
There are this much fries.
I know, there's loads of fries, isn't there, guys?
It's really nice.
Yeah, Jaden likes it. Is it thumbs up, guys?
But Mummy, when I play, you can eat some.
I've got a double cheeseburger. Can you see this one? Yeah, so it's a bit rich.
Ouch.
So
Hurts.
but
I need a drink.
right, pass us the thing. Oh. So I bought a new one.
Okay, now can you?
Oops. Okay. Hopefully it's gonna be alright.
Yeah, cheers, Mommy.
Leona's on camera.
Don't mind what I'm doing.
Okay. Right, here we go.
I could read this one.
Ooh.
I'm too scared, but I want to. Excuse me.
Right. Yeah, so
I how did I see on the telly, Mommy? How did I see potty here? You do that.
right, so this is the old one. Yeah, it was pretty bad, wasn't it?
So where is the new one? Look!
Yeah, alright. Yeah, so that is the after. It looks 100% better now. It needed it. I did some baking yesterday. My banana bread. If you've not seen that video, oh, it smells so nice. If you've not seen that video, I will link it down below so you can have a nosy. I don't know what I want for breakfast. Some cereal. Yeah, front room doesn't look too bad actually. Not too bad. can use this box. Can use that box for the Curlformers. Right, let's get these put away. Leona's having a toast. Aren't you? So these pictures up as well. Need to put those pictures up. Grass is cut. My neighbour did the sides, and I cut the grass. What?
I've only got these two.
What?
So this is only one.
Good morning. Don't forget to hit that like. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe button, click on the notifications so you know when I upload. So I've decided to upload every Saturday now. Yay! Just to give you an update on my lock journey. If you didn't know, I am now. Today on the agenda is to sort this out. I've already done a video about organising my wardrobe. I will link that down below. Oh, I've got the hangers, so you don't have to see me watching this one. But if you want to see me organising it, like I said, it's down below. Also, I went on Amazon, not to buy anything, but I'm going to return my Curlformers because I'm getting locks now. I've seen tutorials on how to actually curl my hair without the need of appliances, tools, and that cost me £37. I know, £37. So yeah, that is going back, so I need to find a box to put that in. Yeah, need to sort that out. Also, I'll link the video down below of me using the Curlformers. I don't think they're them ones, but they are Curlformers. I don't know if you can see because it is black. The pocket is a bit flappy pocket. So yeah, I'm gonna sew that sometime today. So yeah, there's a few bits to be getting on with. So I found a mother and daughter dress. See if I can get it out. Mother and daughter dress. Forgot I bought that. Yeah, still sorting stuff out. I'm giving this one to charity. I don't know, it looks quite Mormon-y. I don't think it suits me at all. I might try it on. So it's really tight up there. I can't fasten the laces. I've asked Jaden to do it, but he's in the mood now because I've taken the electronics away. This is a...
I did a bit and then you can reach it.
Yeah, so this is it. It's not something I'd want to wear. It's a... Excuse Leona, they can't see. It's a little bit short for my liking, and it's really, really tight on the... She says I look like her at LOL doll. But yeah, it's not
LOL doll has that, but it's black. Look, like that.
Yeah, well, it's very monochrome, darling, but yeah, it's not for me. Oh, it's really restricted. And so I'm gonna sew this one. Sew it to
lovely.
There. I think that'll be sufficient. I mean, I think that the cut is just, it's just too high. I mean, look, it's just sew it to
lovely.
There. I think that'll be sufficient. I mean, I think that the cut is just, it's just too high. I mean, Look, it's just like there.
Are you recording?
I don't need to sort of hide that bit like that, or have the ruffles out and sew underneath, and sew underneath. So have the ruffles out like this and just sew underneath it, or tuck the ruffles in, you know, so it's like that. So I don't know, but yeah, lockdown outfits. So we need to sew that.
Let me see.
We need to sew that, and I think that thread might go with this one. Yeah. Maybe. Oh, yay! That one. You won't see it anyway, but I've got my needle.
Maybe we'll go to the lab too. Oh yes, it matches. Look. Match.
It's a bit orange. Jaden's in a mood today. Let's see.
I'm watching TV. So.
Don't be banging my door, please. So I've nearly finished it now. So I have to do it with one hand, but you like this rabbit though, don't you, Leona? And unless something's proper, if I can repair it, I'll repair it, me. Jaden's with us now, he's calmed down a little bit. All happy now. There you go, Leon. Okay. Now this is the tricky one. Oh! Right, so I got it from Boohoo, but I think I've missed the when I can send it back. I've had it ages.
I'm not doing it.
Right, so I need to sew down to here.
You did it.
Yeah, what do you want to say?
God, I'm doing it one. Oh. No.
Right, guys, so this is the after. I don't know, I'm gonna have to. Yeah. It's less. Right, so there's my pizza. There's my pizza. I'm gonna have there's Jaden's and Leona's. I give them 1.5 because when I give them 2, they don't eat all of it, so they get 1.5 now. Jaden's not really a big fan of peas, so yeah. There's the dinner, and I'm having waffles. Those bedside potato waffles. Just want bath.
I've watched it.
A bit hot. Yeah, I just want bath for kids, and it's been a long day. You lot have just been arguing, haven't you? Right, let's get you in. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed already, please hit the like button and hit the notification bell so you know when I upload. I'll be uploading every Saturday, but I'll also throw a cheeky video in between. And yeah, that's it guys. Keep safe. See you in the next one. Adios.